Mabuhay! Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to your home. Today's recipe is Vegetarian Caldereta. Here are the ingredients of today's recipe: butternut squash, broccoli, water, coconut milk, garlic, onion, carrot, pineapple, tomato, potato, hot chili sauce, salt, and oil. Now the oil is hot in the pan. Saute the garlic and the onion. Garlic. Give it a stir until it turns golden brown. Then add the onion, stirring continuously until the onion turns soft. Add potato, carrot, butternut squash, broccoli. Give it a stir for a minute. After a minute, add water and bring it to boil. Now the water is boiling. Add coconut milk and tomato. Give it a good stir. Mix them together. Cover and simmer. After 20 minutes, add pineapple, hot chili sauce, and pinch of salt. Give it a stir, and now simmer for 5 minutes. Right, after total cooking time of 25 minutes, the Vegetarian Caldereta is now ready to serve and enjoy. Now let's taste it. Mmm, delicious! I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. See you soon!